You ever want to make passive income? In crypto, you can do that. You could do it in two ways. You could stake funds or you could yield farm, okay? When you stake or you could yield. Now, I'm a degen, right? I like new projects. I like meme coins. I like these projects. I'm also a Bitcoin maxi. Like this half of me goes Bitcoin maxi, right? Over 90% of my bag is in it. But I am that cowboy degen that I always have been, investing in all these new projects. Who knows what it's going to do? I'm just interested in all of them. But there is a big part of me too that is super lizard brain. I want to just kind of set it and forget it. And I know a lot of you guys want that passive income, just to take your crypto and stake it somewhere and just let the rewards kind of kick in. Now, if you're new to crypto, let me learn you something, okay? I'm going to learn you really quick. And this is how I teach, very rudimentary iPad drawings. But essentially, there are two ways to earn passive income. Number one is you can stake. And I'm drawing a lock here because when you stake coins, you take a particular coin and you'll get percentage back rewards based on the type of coin you are to secure the network, right? It's for security purposes. The other way is you can yield farm, and I'm gonna draw like a little shovel here. Oh yeah, that's a good shovel right there. That's a good shovel. And that shovel represents something where you can go ahead, you're not digging anything, but you provide assets to either pools or lending protocols so that people can buy, sell, trade, swap, or borrow, okay? So it offers liquidity or assets or money into protocols so that it allows people to buy, trade, sell, swap, lend, that kind of stuff, borrow, that kind of stuff. And so while both ways earn you passive income back, they do it in two different ways. One is staking and the other is yield farming, okay? Now, there are a few risks involved. So for instance, staking, sometimes it's only that you have to lock it up for, let's say, a certain amount of days, okay? There's a certain amount of days you got to lock that up. And for yield farming, you, of course, offer, you got rug pulls and you got impermanent loss, IL. Now, impermanent loss takes a little bit of explaining to do, but basically, let me go with super lizard brain terms. You could look up YouTube videos that'll explain it much easier and more and better for you. But impermanent loss is when the price change shifts so dramatically that the yield the rewards that you get back doesn't account for the price difference. In where if you withdraw your money back, it would have been better just to hold the money because the price shot up really high. And it's actually a really serious thing to consider, especially in a bull run, because I think things are going to just go up. So impermanent loss, when you're yield farming, really takes some thinking. There's some management there that you have to do. You got to go, which pools are doing well? Are you in like an Ethereum pool? Are you, it depends on what kind of pool you're into. It depends on the type of rewards or back that the platform is yielding for you. Okay, now, all that aside, there are two options, both of which have real red flags. Why is the days locked up? Is because if you can't sell something and it's going down, you can't sell it out of it quick enough, you're going to suffer a loss there. So there's some management to do there. Now, if you're with me, you like new projects. I like new projects, especially ones that offer some kind of solution and make my crypto journey, lizard brain, a lot easier. And the folks at SureYield has ensured me that we should at least take a look at their project. So am I shilling this? I'm just reviewing it. I'm trying to learn this project. You let me know what you think about this project in the comment section below. But essentially, this is, and you know what, we're going to do a giveaway for this on one of the live streams because obviously they're paying me to talk about this project, but I want to give back on it just by seeing who is commenting down below and kind of taking in this project for themselves. We'll do a $100 giveaway, and it's about time we do some drawings on the live stream. However, SureYield, what it does is it includes AI, a double staking process, and a insurance feature. All three of those, probably even a little more, but it's launching on April 15th. So that's what, 5 days away from the time of this posting. And you can see why they're excited about this project. Number one, they use a double staking strategy, meaning you're going to stake, you're not only going to let me bring up my iPad here. You're not only going to do one or the other of these two options, you're going to do both. You're going to stake a trusted or a partnered project coin. So say it's like, I don't know, some coin, cowboy coin. You're going to stake that and you're going to earn rewards back that way. And you're going to stake USDC to the equivalent dollar amount of how much you've put in the cowboy coin. So if cowboy coin is like $50, you have to throw up a cowboy coin of $50 and $50 of USDC. So that's $100 total. And the yield, so you're going to stake one side, and the yield part is going to be managed by AI. And they're going to take that AI into the Uniswap pools, some of the best liquidity. I mean, I got the Uniswap pools pulled up. It has got like $5 million TVL. If you don't know what TVL means, that means total value locked. It means the amount of money that is invested. 5 billion TVL. So there's a lot, it's deep liquidity. There's no one's getting rug pulled if they're going into Ethereum. And so for me, it takes out the headache of understanding, okay, which pools do I go into? When do I buy in? When do I sell out? Market trends, all that kind of stuff. All this like big brain, complicated, nerdy egghead stuff, like raise your glasses on your anime eyes type of stuff. It removes all that out of it and just has AI. Now, for me, I don't know about you, but I use AI in everything I do. ChatGPT, right? Like I'm using AI to generate songs. So I use AI for a lot of different things. And if whatever can make my life easier for AI, that's certainly one of the ways I could do that. I don't want to have to deal with that myself. So I would like to see AI manage my crypto. And so that's where it's doing. It's enhanced liquidity management. It's managing those pools for me. So I'm getting money back with the staking. I'm getting money back with the liquidity pools being managed by AI. And finally, there's insurance vault. Now, remember when I told you that you can suffer impermanent loss, IL, right on that yield farming side. What ends up happening is if you do suffer impermanent loss, again, impermanent loss is if the price change is so volatile that you didn't earn enough money to cover the cost of that, and so you withdraw your money, and it would have been better for you to just hold your coin instead of just putting it into a liquidity pool. They'll offer SUSDC. I guess it's SureYield USDC. It's like an insurance token that could be redeemed for the equivalent of USDC. So you have an insurance policy on impermanent loss, so you don't have to actually worry about that if you start staking with SureYield. Now, I'm sure every protocol has to take its fees to keep on doing that. So I think the ratio is 50% of the staking rewards will go back to you, 25% goes to the insurance, and 25% goes to SureYield as the organization. So that's the split up. If you wanted, that was the biggest thing for me, is how does the rewards get split up? Because I have no problem paying a protocol as long as I'm making money, especially if it's passive income, and if it reduces the amount of loss that my lizard brain will incur. Like my biggest enemy will be me for sure. So I don't know when to pull out of those liquidity pools, which pools to get into, and constantly be managing it on a daily basis. I don't have time for that. No one's got time for that, Felicia. But if I could have AI manage that, and if there is a mishap, if there is a loss here, I could still have the insurance plan to fall back on. Something that's really interesting here. You could go into more of that, but essentially, it's a simple idea with a lot of safety nets included, and really simplifies everything. They're going to say up to 500 APR paid in USDC. I don't know how they have that figure. I try to look around and stuff like that. I'd like to have these guys on a Q&A one time. I've seen a couple of their Q&As, but what do you guys think? What do you think about SureYield? What do you think about the idea? They're going to be launching on Polygon at first. Launch date is April 15th. If you want a piece of this, just come to SureYield.com and you'll be able to see, you can have their Twitter handles, their Discord. You could go into their pitch deck and you could learn a lot more, but I just wanted to bring this to your attention in case you were interested. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching the channel. I'm interested in the bull run coming back up again. I'm interested in all these projects. I want to see some more Q&As. I want to see different projects. I want to see more meme coins. I want to see it all, because Cowboys be riding out into the sunset. When the bull run hits, who knows what's going to be going up. And I think some of these simpler protocols would be at least worth our interest. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. The best comment will start to take part of that $100 giveaway we'll do on the live streams, but you have to comment. Anyway guys, thanks, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys all on the live streams. Peace.